Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and toggles so you don't chase phantom problems. Once the radio is on and airplane mode is off, open Device Manager with Win+X and choose Device Manager. Find network adapters and identify your wireless adapter by name. This tells you whether Windows recognizes the card. Right-click it to view properties and driver details so you know the current driver version. This step narrows options and prevents unnecessary downloads. Now you act on the driver state. First, choose Update Driver and try Search automatically. Windows will pull a compatible driver. If a recent update caused issues, use Rollback Driver in Properties. This restores the previous working driver without extra steps. If corruption persists, uninstall the device in Device Manager and reboot. Windows typically reinstalls a fresh driver on startup. Make sure to stop and start the WLAN Auto Config service if the adapter appears but won't connect. If automatic fixes fail, download the OEM Windows 10 driver that matches your adapter model and Windows build. Installing the wrong package creates more trouble. Run the installer as administrator or use Device Manager, right arrow Update Driver, right arrow Browse My Computer, and point to the driver INF folder so Windows uses the exact files. Once installed, reboot, test Wi-Fi, and check Windows Update right arrow Optional Updates for driver alternatives. If still failing, try a clean boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.